Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transform your video on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project, and if you want to customize your video, just go to the lower bar and tap to the edit button at the lower left corner, and here you can find the transform option next to the overlay. Here you can set the position, the scale and the rotation high at the of your video, and just you can set that, and if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen, and if you finish, just that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.